mail and a Boxy Charm. And then in a later video, I have a fashion, but I'm not going to do that in this video. It's too long. I'm just going to do the Boxy Charm and the friend mail. The friend mail is from Alex, and it's got, inside of it, it's got little pumpkins and skulls. I think there's some bats in here. There's some little bats. It's like the whole envelope's full of goodies. And it's really cute. It's like a photo card. It says Life with Sugar, Alex and Sugar. And Sugar's dressed up like a ghost. And Alex is, what is she? Oops, there's a bat on there. A couple bats. She's got flowers, and I'm not sure what she is. And then here's another picture. Oh, more little thingies. She looks like she's from Hawaii. It's her and Sugar. And then there's a little note in here. What would you call a ghost of a door-to-door salesman? A dead ringer. And then she goes on to talk about how her favorite day is Halloween, favorite holiday is Halloween, and some other stuff that I'm not going to share. So that's really a cute card, and I'm not sure if she had these made or made them herself, but they're really cute. I'm surprised Sugar let her make her into a ghost. Now, on to Boxy Charm. Boxy Charm is $30, I never can remember, $25 or $30 a month. I'm terrible at remembering how much stuff costs. It says, save the date, enjoy exclusive members only discounts in our online pop-up candy shop. Then on the back it's got the prices of stuff. So, let's see, ooh, this is whatever this is, it's full size. It's a big old thing of Hydration Exfoliating Cleanser by Murad. I don't know, I've got the ring light on and it's making everything glary. Let's see how much this is. $40. Wow. I didn't think Murad was that expensive of a brand. So I got two things. Let's see what this is. It's like a bag. I don't know if there's something in the bag. It's a bag with kind of a copper colored zipper. Oh, it's a bunch of brushes. That's cool. It's a bag of brushes. Oh, they kind of glare in the ring light. I don't know about this ring light. Let's turn it off, see if you can still see me. That's better. There's all the brushes. And the bag's kind of cool. It's kind of dark in this room. So I don't have the curtains open because, or the windows, the shades open because I'm going to be changing my clothes with the fashion next. So I don't want to open the shades yet. So it's kind of dark in here because my overhead light, something wrong with it, and it's going blink, 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 and driving me nuts. So it's pretty dark in here. But this bag's nice. I like it. Be a great travel thing for your brushes. Let's see what else we got in here. We have, ooh, very fake eyelashes. I'm not a fake eyelash kind of girl. These are probably going to go get over my giveaway. They're really spiky fake eyelashes. It's kind of glary. You can't see it very good, but you can see how big and spiky they are. Yeah, that, oh, let's see how much those brushes were. Oh, it's too dark. I'm gonna have to turn the ring light back on. There we go. 5-piece gold. There it is. Luxy Wonderlust set, $40. And the eyelashes, Lava Lashes Charm Faux Mink, $19.99. Oh, Sol de Janeiro. Sol de Janeiro is that shampoo I found that I really like. This one is a tinted lip butter. See how much it is. Sol de Janeiro is expensive. And where is it? There it is. $20. Brazilian Kiss tinted lip butter. Oh, I keep getting those little bats and things on me. Huh. The case is interesting. It's kind of copper looking. Let's see. Let's see. Turn the light back off again. You still can't really see it there. You can see it a little bit. It's just not very dark. I don't know that it's like a lipstick. It's more of a treatment, maybe. Don't know exactly, but I swabbed it, so now I gotta keep it. And last but not least, there's a palette in here. Let's see. Beauty Bakery Breakfast in Bed eyeshadow palette, $38. Wow, so it's 40, 40, 38, 20. I don't know. The value is like close to $100 for the 25 or 30 that I spent. Okay, let's see. I'd see if my daughter-in-law wants this one because I've got similar ones. If not, then maybe I'll put it in my giveaway because I've got, as you saw when I was redoing my all my makeup, I've got like a whole drawer full of palettes. I really don't need any more palettes for a while. In fact, I'm thinking about stopping Boxy Charm for a while just because I don't need any more stuff. I just end up giving it all away. I mean, the brushes I'll use. I'll probably use this stuff. I've got real dry legs. Well, it's not it's a cleanser, so I use it on my face, I guess. But I don't know. What do you think? I mean, I'm trying to add more stuff on that isn't unboxing because it gets kind of expensive doing unboxings all the time. Plus, I feel like I'm being too much of a consumer, you know what I mean? I don't need all this stuff, so why am I getting it? Oh, do you like the way I did my hair? I think it's kind of cute, but it shows my gray. So I'm kind of getting convicted about all my consumerism, so I'm thinking about getting rid of some of my things that I get. And this is one of them I'm thinking about at least putting on hold for a while. Is it going to disappoint y'all and quit viewing me if I quit doing so many unboxings? If you really want me to keep doing a lot of unboxings, I will. Definitely, I don't know. There's some of them that I really like that I want to keep, but this one, I like it. I really like it. You get a lot of nice stuff, but it's just stuff I don't need anymore. I didn't have any makeup when I started this, and now I have, as you saw, a boatload of makeup, so I really don't need any more for a while anyway. So, what do you think? Should I stop doing it? We had well, if this is the kind of thing you enjoy, unboxings, and I do clothing ones, I do lifestyle, I do these makeup ones like this, I do like quizzes, get to know me, those kinds of things. I'm going to do a video, a craft video. I'm making a couple cards. I'm going to do a craft video on that. Cooking videos. I do a little bit of everything. I'm trying to find more different things for you guys to just, you know, make it more interesting. A little wider variety of things other than just unboxings. So if you like that, let me know, and subscribe and hit the bell, and it'll show you when I post a new video. Give me a thumbs up, and come back later today because I'm going to do fashion unboxing. So that'll be up later today.